think that was late. The referee will say it was late from Mouthwatering on Williams. Mouthwatering is smiling. Williams is grimacing. Williams is all right.
The question is, why would you attempt that tackle now? Why would Christian Wolf and any other of the Super League coaches make the player? Predominantly it's the back rowers that the job is to put pressure on the halfbacks, take time and space away from them. Mouthwatering sits down. George Williams and the Warrington Wolves, well, they're one man up now and want to capitalise.
Lomax with a little kick through, with a chase is on, and Wellesby, Jack Wellesby may well have got the try. We're going to see. Chris Kendall is sending it to the video ref. James Child. I think in the end, it was a simple one for James Child. Lomax read the situation beautifully with the kick through, and Jack Wellesby read it even better. Lewis Dodd does well. That's a great pass from Dodd. The ball will go out to Makinson, and Tommy Makinson gets another try for Saints, his sixth of the season. It was superbly made yet again by Lewis Dodd. He just switched the pattern of play. Quick hands once more, and Makinson cannot stop scoring. Dodd, now Wellesby, cut out pass to Makinson! Makinson goes in at the corner! That could be the try that wins it for Saints! They huffed and they puffed and they blow the Warrington hands down again, and Makinson with the try, and Saints lead 16 points to 2. Percival, who'll just go through a huge gap. Saints will celebrate. Saints will stay top of the table. Saints will make it 5 out of 5. Oh, that's it. It's curtains for Warrington. Mouthwatering missed the tackle, and Mark Percival didn't need asking again. Saints extend their lead. It's 20 points to 2.
That's
now it's going to be a try. Lomax celebrates the mistake for Warrington, and Johnny Lomax wraps it up, and St Helens celebrate a big win against their big rivals. First try of the season for Lomax, and it finishes the Warrington Wolves off, and it finishes a fine St Helens performance.